Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will guide you how to register to apply permanent residential certificate, domiciles, SC, ST certificate, income certificate, etc. See, providing this information to you, those CSS agent or cyber centers, they may not happy with me because they are earning with this, but I'm here only to bridge the gap between the citizens and the government. So I'm here to share you their secrets so that you don't need to spend money or wasting time. Grab this opportunity. You can earn with this as well. So now you can do everything from anywhere at any time, as the government has given opportunity even to the citizens. You should know this. To become self-applicable, first you need to have e-Praman user ID. In this video, I will guide you how to create user ID. But before we proceed on, please do a favor for me by sharing this video. For more updates, do subscribe to those who haven't. So without wasting time, now let's proceed. Just follow my steps. Okay, so you can do everything just through your smartphone. If you have desktop laptop, then well and good. Even if you don't have, don't worry, you don't need to worry. Smartphone is enough. Now let's open Google Chrome, then search e-service Manipur. Click to the link. The official link is even given in the description. So first click on the right corner, three dot, and then on the desktop side. Okay, now let's proceed on. Okay, so after login, you'll see it in this interface. Then just drag it down, and then you will see here citizens and CSC, and then the other side is department. Then you click on CS citizens or CSC. After clicking, you will see in this interface. So username, if you have already created, you can enter just use your username or mobile number, and then password, and then click on the I consent to Mary Pehchan, and then but for now, as we are going to create a new user ID, so below sign in there will be a new users. Just click on new users, sign up for Mary Pehchan, then click on there, and then you will be directed to this page. So after for that, you need to enter mobile number. Okay, your mobile number, and then generate OTP. After that, you have to enter OTP and then verify OTP. Okay, and then here you can give your given name, you can put your given name, and then let me put my name, and then the gender, just select male, and then for me, so date of birth, I have to enter my date of birth, and then personal message, you can put anything, you can write anything here according to your wish, and then I need to, okay, you can write anything here. Okay, then you can create your password. You need to create a strong password. You need to mix up like a uppercase, lowercase, and then the special character, and then confirm password. And you have to fill this the expression. You have to solve this expression, solve, and then enter. Then you will be directed to this page, and you can here you just need to enter your district, city, districts, and then locality, villages, and then locality. Okay, you enter the details and then proceed on. So that's all. We have already created the user ID. Now you can click here, new application. Okay, new application, and then click on revenue department, and then here you will see where to apply. On the right corner, apply online. You can click which certificate you want to apply. Just click on apply, and then fill up the details. In the next video, I will share you what are the required to apply all these certificates. So see you in the next video.